Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. It's Simplifytechinfo here, and in this video let's see how to download Instagram photo picture or Instagram Reels stories or even highlights or even videos. So I have this website here. It's recommended for you guys. There are a lot of websites, but this one has worked with me well, and I'm gonna share with you how to do that. So simply go to the website in description below. It's called instadp.io. Just click on Instagram photo picture downloader, and then from here you wanna get your link of your profile like so, or username. Both are working well. So once you paste the link in this box here, just click on it like so. Now it shows me my Instagram photo, so just click on download and save it in your desktop or wherever you want to save that. And now here it is. Now it gives me my photo profile. You can try that with reels or shorts or videos on any Instagram account. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like it, enjoy, and comment below if you don't understand something, and take care. Bye.